This should be a relatively short video. We're going to cover porting today with our new porting portal that we've set up. So once you're logged in as an admin, on your settings menu down at the bottom here, there's help and support, and there's a port your number link. So click on that. From here, you can start a new port process or add a new phone number to your account. Let's start with the porting process. So I have the information pre-filled here. So you would put in your port request name and the number you want to port. The number can be ported. So click next. This page is just your information. It doesn't have to match the telephone bill of the line that you're porting. This is just information we'll use to contact you in case there's any issues with the port request. So just enter your WestFax account number, name, email, phone, and the desired port date, and click next. Here you would enter your telecom carrier information. This is the information on the account that you're porting your number from. So you would want to enter the account number, a PIN number if it's assigned. It may also be called a porting PIN. Enter the authorized name of the person on that account and enter the billing telephone number that's associated with the account. Click next. This is the service address information. This would be also what's on your telecom bill. I have it pre-filled here, so fill in as much information as possible and as accurately as possible. Click next. Here you can upload your letter of authorization form and a copy of your phone bill. This will help us expedite the port and prevent any issues. Click next. And then this is the final review. So just review the information, check your forms. When you're ready, go ahead and check the box, enter your electronic signature, and save the port request. I'm not going to do that because I don't actually want to port that number. So let's go back, click on the WestFax logo. So let's go to add new fax number. So choose the type of number you want to add to your account, whether you just want a local number or a toll-free number. We'll do just a local number. So choose your area code. In my case, I will do 505. That's for New Mexico. I just want to add one. So I'll search, and the numbers are subject to availability until fully processed. So make sure if you want to do this, you do it relatively quickly, and because there's a possibility that the number could be taken in the meantime. It hasn't been submitted yet. So go ahead and click those and click confirmation. Please review the information carefully. Once confirmed, these numbers will be added to your account, and you would just confirm it would be added. But again, I'm not going to do that here. And then once it is added, you'll see recently added number. This is a number I added previously in November, and the cost. Once your port is submitted, it'll go into the pending port request, and you'll be able to see the information here. Then also completed port request. You'll be able to see that in this section. And that's our porting portal. Thank you and have a great day.